Okay, hello everyone. Good
Hello.
morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
How are you all today? Gimana kabar kalian?
We're
Yes,
fine, thank
fine.
you.
How about
How about
you?
you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, we are from group 5. Now we are going to present our material about academic reading skills. But before we come to the presentation session, let me introduce me and my friends. My name is Helena Tiffany Malani. My last number 046, and here is my friends.
My name is Marit Sarafa Abdi. My last digit number is 002.
My name is Royan Kelan Pradana. My last digit number is 043.
My name is Sofia Dursinta. My last digit number is 021.
My name is Bakar Sandi. My last digit number 0020.
My name is Rahmandika Fajar Perkasa. Last digit number 067.
My name Ruth Crescentini Dige and my last digit number is 079.
Okay. Okay, I think that's enough about the introduction session. Let's come to the next session. It will be the presentation of our material about academic reading skills. I will begin our presentation. Here is number 1, foundation of academic reading. Number 2, purpose of academic reading. Number 3, types of academic texts. Number 4, strategies for effective academic reading. Number 5, identifying key information. Number 6, tips for improving your academic reading skills. Next.
So the first topic is foundations of academic reading. The first one is active reading. Engage actively with text through annotation, summarizing, and note-taking. The second one is reading critically. Apply critical thinking skills to understand author's intentions, arguments, and evidence. The third one is understanding structure. Learn how academic texts are organized and how to identify key parts, such as introductions, methods, and conclusions. And the last one is building vocabulary. Building vocabulary, develop a strong academic vocabulary to improve comprehension, writing, and critical thinking skills.
The next is purpose of academic reading. The first one is education. Read academic text to gain knowledge, develop expertise, and advance your career. Second one is research. Use academic text to conduct research, evaluate data, and test hypotheses. Third one is professional development. Read academic text to stay current in your profession, develop new skill, and enhance your career prospect.
Types of academic text. Journal article. Primary source of academic research, often published after peer review. Books. More in-depth exploration of a topic, usually written by experts in the field. Conference papers. Presentation of academic research to peers at a conference or symposium.
Okay, strategies for effective academic reading. Number 1, reviewing. Get an overview of the structure and content of an academic text before you start reading. Number 2, skimming. Read quickly to get a general sense of what a text is about and identify key information.
The third is scanning. Scan for specific information such as keywords, dates, or names. The last one is critical reading. Analyze and evaluate argument, evidence, and assumption in academic text to develop a nuanced understanding of the topic.
Identifying key information. Number 1, highlighting. Use a highlighter or pen to mark important words or phrase to remember or reference later. Nah, dengan kita mengidentifikasi informasi penting, kita bisa menggunakan stabilo atau pena berwarna. Nah, sebelum memutuskan untuk meng-highlight sesuatu, pastikan kita sudah membaca secara keseluruhan dari isi materinya terlebih dahulu. And number 2, sticky notes. Use sticky notes to jot down questions, comments, or summaries of key points. Sticky notes atau yang disebut dengan catatan tempel itu saat kita sedang membaca buku atau saat sedang mengikuti kursus. Kita tuh perlu membuat catatan atau menyoroti poin-poin penting itu ya. Nah, dengan kita menggunakan ini, sticky notes ini, di bagian atas kita tuh bisa menempelkan catatan atau ya agar memudahkan kita ya di halaman yang kalian inginkan. Number 3, mind mapping. Create a mind map to visualize connection between key concept and ideas in the text. Mind mapping atau disebut dengan kayak peta pikiran gitu. Nah, dengan menggunakan metode ini, kita tuh mengidentifikasi informasi penting yang bisa memudahkan kita untuk melihat gambaran besar atau suatu ide yang besar gitu, ide pokok. Nah, dengan mind mapping ini, menggunakan metode ini adalah cara efektif ya, dan solusi terbaik bagi kita atau seseorang yang ingin menyusun beragam macam informasi. Gitu. Next.
Okay, the next is tips for improving your academic reading skills. The first is read regularly. Build a regular reading habit to improve your comprehension, retention, and speed. The second is read across disciplines. Expand your knowledge and perspective by reading academic material from different fields of study. The third is practice active reading. Engage with text by taking notes, summarizing, outlining, and annotating to enhance comprehension and memory of key information. The last one is join a reading group. Join a book club or reading group to discuss and analyze academic skill.
Oke, udah selesai. I would like to thank you for taking time out to listen to our presentation, guys. Yeah, thank you, friends. Yay.
Thank you. See you again.
Auf Wiedersehen.